Hey guys, what's up? I'm back again. Okay, yes. I should really stop saying again. But anyway, yes. BTS, our leader, rap monster, NAMJOON, Kim NAMJOON, Junie is back. He released his mixtape Mo to the No. Okay, and guys, I'm so excited for it. I mean, I was wondering when is our leader going to come back? Like, seriously. And then boom, it's out, y'all. And from what I've heard, lots of people already listened to it already. It has approximately 7.5 million people who's already seen this. I mean, from what I've heard, this video is very emotional and our leader. I mean, he's intellectual, he's intelligent, he's perfect, he's smart, there is no surprise that this song is going to be amazing. I mean, okay, this Mono, okay? The name of his mixtape, the album is Mono. And yeah, one of the songs that I'm going to be reacting to, the one with the music video, is Forever Rain, RM Forever Rain. So that is what I'm going to be reacting to this morning. So yeah guys, yes, I am so excited. I wanted to do it, react to it yesterday and upload, but I had to do some stuff, react to another video and then edit it and then upload it and then do some other school stuff, read and shit. So I'm talking too much. I should just start this. Okay. Wow, I'm so excited for it. Okay, let's get 하나, 둘, 셋. I love the fact that it's sketches. I love everything. I will always love it though, so I'm surprised. It looks like Astro. Okay, liquid. And water. Black hole. Okay, it's not black hole. I mean, it's our leader. I mean, it's
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어.
Oh my god, I missed his rapping.
울어줬으면 해서. Yeah, 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. Yeah, 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어. 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로. Yeah, slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Forever rain.
oh, his voice is so amazing.
Forever
Me to tears.
Forever rain. Forever rain.
This is really his style of dressing.
Forever rain. Forever rain. 비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어. 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어. And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어
Oh my god.
Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow
This is so
When
touching.
it rains it pours, when it rains it pours, it pours Forever in Forever in Forever in Forever in
This is great.
Forever in
This is literally like that part of me actually thought I was yawning, like, forever. My baby, he don't did it. He don't did it again. Oh, I can't wait to listen to the rest of the album. Mono. It's the name itself is so ooh, it's so cute and yeah. Guys, I know you felt what I felt. It was so like how should I put it? It was amazing emotionally and like this is the kind of song that like the song understands most people or like I don't know, I'm really bad with words, but like you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm trying to say. Like this song was so amazing, like I loved it so much, and I just know that the rest of the album is going to be epic and amazing, and I love it. Okay, I said that before. Mono. I'm going to like I saw on Instagram that there's a video that fully explains this album and especially the song Forever Rain. So I'm going to watch that, or maybe we'll watch it together. What do you think? So yeah. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give all your love to our intellectual, handsome, amazing boyfriend material, husband material, heavenly, ethereal leader. Please do not forget to love and support him because he deserves everything. Like there's songs, like his songs always has a meaning, you know, even though like it's fast rap and stuff, it always has a meaning. Just you this is why I love him. This is exactly why I love Rap Monster Kim NAMJOON. Okay, he my bae. Okay, so yeah, that was it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you have any videos for me to react to, please don't forget to leave it in the description link below. And also, please don't forget to check out my last videos that I did. And I might leave the link below. I don't know. Yes, I might leave it below. So please don't forget to check that out also, and please don't forget to check my next video also. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and please don't also forget to listen to the rest of Rap Master's album Kim NAMJOON, because I know that you are going to definitely love it. Thank you guys. I love you. See ya.